Let us see how you can create a payment campaign or request payments from your customers using the WhatsApp native payments. So click on create new campaign and click on WhatsApp campaign. Here you will see the new option of create a payment campaign. Click on create payment campaign. Enter a campaign name. Select when do you want the campaign to be sent. Select your audience. Either you can segment them or send it to all of your contacts in the CRM. So I'm segmenting the contacts for now. Next, click on messages. Select your channel. Select any of your payment templates. So these are order detail templates. From here, you need to upload an image, enter a product name, decide the price and the quantity. Same, enter another product. You can add n number of products. So the amount will automatically get calculated based on all the variables here. Select the payment gateway that you have already created in the payments ecosystem. Select your currency. Decide when the order will get expired. So when the payment request will get expired, in how many minutes. So if you keep 0, it will never expire. And if you want to expire it after 20 minutes, you can put it like this. Next, decide if you want to charge a tax and enter a tax name or description, whether your price here is inclusive of tax or exclusive. You can also add shipping charges, define a description for the same, and same goes for discounts. Next, click on preview and click on save campaign. Once the campaign is saved, click on the rocket icon to send the campaign. So if you're scheduling it for future, still you need to click the rocket icon now. It will get sent at the time you have scheduled, but without clicking the rocket icon, the campaign won't even get scheduled. Thank you.